Alright, here it is, Saturday morning. That Shadow out here on a leash. Hey, Shadow. Haha, little girl. Got the truck up here. Got a guy to come and look at it. See about trading me a car for it. Never had a Corvette, so I told him we could look and see and talk. And I got the motor chromed out, so it looks a lot better. Still didn't get it all washed like I wanted to. I just had a busy week working on Mom's car. Well, 327 looks a lot better now. A little chrome helps everything. I got this side sanded and buffed. Didn't get to the other side yet. And I told the guys, still into it. You can still see a little orange fill in the door here. But she fires right up. Runs good. I like the way she sounds. Now I stuck the old valve covers in the back. Stock ones that came with it. I don't need them. Still need to get washed them back here. I washed the truck off while I had it in the basement. She runs pretty smooth. They said give me a video after I got the motor chromed out. I hate to see it go without getting at least a shot of it. So we'll see when he gets here. We'll end up with a Corvette. Y'all enjoy the videos. I'm gonna miss her. I got a Mustang down there I gotta work on. I wanna get it done.